worms in the waterfall unit. For convenience, I'll take it off. Notice that this unit is a little shorter than the previous one. It was 9 inches. I had it cut down to 6, and that's not the only redesign in this unit. There will be an additional one. That'll be a surprise in about a week or 10 days. So let's put in some pebbles. These are the expandable clay pebbles. These have been waterlogged. And I'm going to add some worms. Here's the worm sack. I've never done this before. I really don't know how the worms are going to react to me or how I'm going to react to them. But here we go. Here's worms. Putting in lots.
That's pretty enough.
Okay, some more of these clay pebbles. Then,
Don't throw them on the worms.
well, we had a problem in the past with these clay pebbles floating that hadn't been waterlogged. So I'm going to try JT's suggestion of adding some marbles. In this case, these are little glass discs. I'll be gentle with. I'm going to be gentle.
Gentle with the worms.
Gentle with the worms. And we'll see how the worms like this. Here. Pump on.
I'm afraid that water is going to drown them.
Well,
Guess in 30 minutes you can see if they're still alive.
we'll see what happens.
I mean, they have to have air. They don't live in water. Somebody told you to do this, right? And they knew that your tank flooded, right?
Right.
Okay.
So let's give it a chance to have a waterfall. Good. We'll